Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you can't find any games on a Google Play Store in Motorola Moto G32. So to do this, first let's open a Google Play Store and actually try to find the games. So we're gonna go for Call of Duty. And as you can see, there's no result that we're looking for. And now let's go back, click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen and open the settings. Inside, select the family, enter parental controls. Here you can either disable parental controls entirely or enter apps and games. Insert your PIN code and increase PG to at least 16. Make sure to save it afterwards and go back. Now, if we look for Call of Duty again, it's right here on the top and we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.